Welcome to Rivers and Coffee. This morning we're in Northwest Michigan on a beautiful little stream. It's a very fragile looking stream, small, so we're going to leave this one unnamed. We definitely don't want it to be overrun. We're going to set up, brew some coffee, have that with a little lunch this time because I'm running pretty late. I think we're going to go with a little personal pizza, try to cook it outside here. I'm going to find a spot and set up and start brewing and cooking. Uh-oh. Well, I'm not sure if that's Bear Scat or not. I don't think they like coffee. They probably like pizza, but I'm not sharing. So I'm going to go back a little bit to where I came in, set up down there, and start brewing and make that pizza. Let's hope for the best. Thanks for joining me today. Okay, we're all set up. Coffee's just about ready. I'm going to start some lunch here in a second. There's mosquitoes all over out here this morning. Remember, bring your bug repellent with you to keep those mosquitoes and ticks away. If I didn't have bug repellent with me today, I'd have to slip on out of here before I even had my coffee. Cheers. Oh yeah, that's hot. Hot and strong. Okay. For lunch, I brought some pizza crust mix. Just add water. I hope that's true. Yeah, some pizza sauce. A little bit of mozzarella. And finally, a few pepperonis to throw on top there. We're going to put that together and try to cook it in this little pan. I haven't done this before, but hopefully, let's just hope for the best. What do you guys think? Does that look about right? I think that looks about right. There's a lot of mosquitoes. Okay, that looks about right. Whew, a lot of mosquitoes. Remember, I'm not a chef, as you can tell. Okay, I think that's cooking up real nice. Wonder if we can flip it. Okay, great. Go ahead and put our toppings on there. Bit of pizza sauce. A little bit of mozzarella cheese. And we'll top it off with a few pepperonis. All right. I think I'll cover that with a little bit of tin foil. Maybe it'll cook the top a little quicker. made myself a lid. All right. Oh yeah, what do you guys think? Maybe a little longer. Okay, that looks pretty good. I think I'll let that cool down. Hopefully we can put it on this little plate here. Okay, it sure doesn't look that pretty, but let's go ahead and give it a try. I think it's cooled down enough. Uh-oh, kind of fell apart a little bit. Well, that sure was a lot of fun. I'm just about done cleaning up. I'm going to slip on out of here. The coffee was about a 5 out of 5 this morning. The pizza, it's about a 2 out of 5. A lot of room for improvement on that one. Mosquitoes, those are about a 5 out of 5. If you like the content, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up button, and let's go find a little flowing water together. Remember, get outside, take a little time for yourself. Oh, stay in peace. Until next time, Rivers and Coffee.